Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here today with day 20 of the best of 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. Today's sketch is from the series 7 playlist and also day 20 from there. And the creator is Bryn Shiva for Let's Get Sketchy. Anyway, I'll show you a better close-up here in a minute, but it is 2 photo sketch and it's using these hexagons through here. So let me show you everything that I have pulled to use. I have pulled washi strips. I have pulled this alpha font. I have my 2 photos here. I have my bowl of embellishments. I have chipboard and washi strips and puffy stickers. I even pulled in some of these wood veneer rainbows. I pulled in some pocket page cards. I pulled in these XO and heart shaped felt ephemera. There's chipboard pieces. There's border strips or cutoffs here. This one, this light blue shade on the back of this green, is going to be my base paper. And then I have all of this other paper that I can use to cut hexagons with, or in any way to utilize any of this. So I've pulled all of these in, all of my scraps in, most of my scraps, to be able to cut some additional hexagons. And then I pulled in one additional sheet of cardstock or pattern paper because I want to try and use that. The back side has those tiny little hearts and that's super cute too. But that's everything I'm starting with. I will show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you the completed layout. Give me just a second. Okay friends, I am done. Let me show you what I did not use. I did not end up using my wood veneer. I have this little chipboard piece that I pulled and I didn't use, and then I have these felt XOXOs. I did not use these, so those will go back into my stash. These are the pattern paper scraps that I did not use, and there's a ton of them here because I pulled in all of the scraps that I have so far. So those will go to use for another layout. As far as paper goes, well, I'll show you in a minute. I did pull out this stamp, or sorry, this stamp pad, and it's called Gray Flannel. I pulled in these enamel dots, these puffy stickers. I used a label from here. I used a chipboard piece from here. I did use a puffy border. I used a washi strip from here and also one from here. I had a portion of hearts down here that I got used up. I did use this alphabet font, and I have 4 sheets of these, so they're all there. I did use this yellow font to create a subtitle. I did use the red hearts, the puffy hearts here. I did use this splatter stamp from Close to My Heart. I did use this hexagonal die. As far as pattern papers go, you can see I have a couple of the border strips for the paper that I did use that I cut off. All three of the pocket page cards that I pulled in, I did cut out with, and I did add an additional one in, and I used this page to back my photos, and then I cut a hexagon out of this page. This is the one with the grid on the other side, and here is the layout that I created. This one is I love how this turned out. I'm not so crazy about how I put the splatter stamps down because I put it here, 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 and I put it a little bit on top of and a little bit underneath the layout. So I'm not real happy with that, but overall I have the 2 size hexagon shapes. I have the 3 over here, and then I have 1, 2, 3 there. And there's actually one over here that I probably wasted space putting it there, but that's okay. It'll work. Anywho, so I have all of this done. I used my fringes here. Oh, I forgot to show you those. I did pull those in and use those here. There is my label that I pulled in, and I put a felt heart on top of that. My title is down here. I used a couple of pieces of washi strips. I put a puffy heart there, that puffy border there, my subtitle here, more puffy hearts and enamel hearts down at the bottom. And up at the top I put a chipboard piece, and then the puffy and enamel heart there, and then scraps of paper down the middle, the branding strips if you will. And then my 2 photos have that one paper backing. So this layout is complete. So this is another one for the books. If you come back tomorrow, you should see layout number 20 with this kit. If you're interested in seeing other layouts created with this same sketch, be sure to put in hashtag best of 30DSCBL, and you should come to the playlist that will show you all the ones that everybody who has attached themselves to the playlist, or that Christy has attached to the playlist. You should see all of those come up. And as of the recording date of this video, I think there's over 200 videos on that list as it stands. So make sure to check that out. You can push play and just let it run, and those videos will stream in. Anyway, I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.